Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you the different crop overlays available in Lightroom Classic and how you can quickly cycle through them while editing your photos. When you're in the crop tool, Lightroom gives you multiple overlays like the rule of thirds, golden ratio, diagonal and more. These overlays can help guide your composition and make sure your photos are visually balanced. To cycle through them, simply press the O key on your keyboard. Each press will toggle to the next overlay. And if you want to rotate certain overlays like golden spiral, hold down Shift and O. Play around with them and see which one suits your style of photography the best. Personally, I use the rule of thirds the most, but sometimes golden spiral works wonders. Another alternative approach is, while you're in the crop mode, go to the tools, crop guide overlay, and then navigate through the different crop overlays to choose what suits you the best. Also, if you do not wish to see the overlay, click on Tools, Tool Overlay, and click on Never Show. Keyboard shortcut is H. So that's a quick look at crop overlays in Lightroom Classic. Let me know in the comments which overlay you prefer using, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.